This is a test of the John Shaver Broadcasting System. This is only a test.
John Shaver, John Shaver, John Shaver, John Shaver.
This has been a test of the John Shaver Broadcasting System. Broadcasters in your area, in voluntary cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities, have developed this system to keep you advised in the event of a John Shaver emergency. If this had been a real John Shaver emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official news, weather, and John Shaver information. This concludes this test of the John Shaver Broadcasting System.